ॐ अस्तगामिने सूर्याय नमः। ॐ अस्तगामिने सूर्याय नमः। ॐ अस्तगामिने सूर्याय नमः। 27th April 2026, Monday evening. The sun is setting now. Beautiful scenery. Oh, two rays are there.